what's up, you guys? It's your girl Sharonnnotshae I, back with another YouTube video today. Today is going to be a different kind of video, especially for me. Well, this is my first of many, but a part of one of the things I really want to do with my channel is take you guys with me as I travel. So that's what we're doing today. You're going to kind of like get ready with me for the airport, pack with me. You guys probably will already see like some clips of me getting ready. You know, me getting up. I hate getting up early. I really do. I hate it with a passion. But once I'm up, got in the shower, brush my teeth, probably about to get me something to eat because I don't want to spend an arm and a leg at the airport. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I pack, what I pack for, what I wear. It's always comfy, but yeah, this is a get ready with me / pack with me / travel with me / just come along for the ride. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching if that's what you guys are into. Bye. Outfit. All it really is a really big t-shirt. On it, it says "You are bigger than what is making you anxious." So I really like this shirt. Then I have my jean jacket for when it gets cold. And then I have my sweats, my Filas. My hair is put up. It's just in a ponytail right now. Not worried about it too much. But yeah, I got my headband on. Got my little jewelry, my little necklace. It says, can you see it? Focus. There we go. It's my year, 1994. And then I have my Buddha. So yeah, this is me going to the airport. So when it comes with packing with me, I already started putting stuff in my suitcase. I really don't have like a rhyme or rhythm to it, but like, this is the outfit, this is the outfit. This is a set, 2-piece set. These are all like either onesies or like dresses, like slip-ons. These are my extras. Like I have 2 graphic tees, 2 biker shorts, and a pair of sweats, just in case. I also have these, which are my loungewears, like to wear just around the house. So just shorts and a dress. My towel, obviously. My 2 swimsuits, well 3, I have a black one, 2 yellow ones, and my mesh cover up. You guys will definitely get to see that if I vlog. Let me know down in the comments if y'all want me to vlog this little trip. These are all my extras. Like, I like to keep them in separate containers. So mini bags, hygiene, hair and body, makeup, skin, and then obviously my trusty flat iron. So yeah, I have this jacket and this hoodie, but I don't know which one I'm gonna wear to the airport yet. Okay, as you can see, I am all packed. I still got like a little bit of room over here, and I'm gonna just put my slides over there. So I decided that I'm not gonna wear my hoodie. I need my headband now. So I'm gonna put my hoodie right here. But yeah, all of my stuff is packed. I don't have anything else in those big things. I might take it with me still, but that's my little carry-on shoulder bag. That's my other jacket I'm gonna be wearing on the plane. These are the shoes I'm actually gonna be wearing on the plane. But yeah, everything else is packed up and ready to go. Okay, so right now I am on my connecting flight to Atlanta. Basically, they just cleaned the airplane. Wherever we sat, we had to stay there, and they came in, cleaned and disinfected everything. I guess we're waiting for the other people to get checked in, all of that stuff for their flight. They're going in, they were going to move to Atlanta. I had to get pushed back a flight because there was a huge wreck in St. Louis, like a huge one, like, but it pushed my Uber back 30 minutes. So by the time I got there, they were calling my name and I'm like, y'all, this is my name. Nope, they're not gonna make it. So I got pushed on this flight. Hopefully everything goes good with my luggage. But they were able to get me to Atlanta, but just instead of 5 or 5:30, I'm gonna get there till like around 7. So that is my update. I really haven't been doing anything. Obviously it's a plane, but I lost my headphones, so I've just been going to sleep. But Southwest is making you wear your mask, and unless you're eating or drinking, but right now there's nobody on the plane, so I'm just gonna chill. But yeah, so keep you guys updated once I get to Atlanta. Okay, honestly, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm in Florida, from Atlanta to Florida, I know, but we drove, and I swear to God, like, this was not planned. It was not planned. It was not planned at all. So, therefore, I just want y'all to see the scenery and see what's going on. So, about to go eat. We on the lake. This is not a lake. This is the ocean. Is this the ocean?
Yeah.
This is the ocean. We are on the ocean. That's our boat. That's what we're doing.
It's canceled. All of it. All of it. Canceled. Sharon.
Yo, it is so many Trump supporters out here today. Like, I done seen at
They
least...
can all catch these motherfucking hands.
Say it again. Say it again.
They can all catch these motherfucking hands.
Look, it's one
My
there.
hands ready to eat for every goddamn body.
That say Trump. That say... Where it go? That one say Trump. Y'all. It is Juneteenth, and we are surrounded by Trump supporters. You know we lit. Fuck them. Fuck them.
Oh, it's a boat. Oh, it's a boat.
EJ.
That's Trump himself.
EJ. Let them know.
Hey, happy Juneteenth. Happy Freedom Day.
These hands ready to eat for every goddamn body. Your mama, your grandmama, your great grand, all of them.
No cussing.